So I didn't know what I didn't know. And so when Brad informed me of these ways to make my website more efficient and a better marketing reflection of me and my business, I didn't know anybody else, so I went with him first, but his customer service has been just outstanding. I mean, I shoot him an email saying, hey, Brad, would you move my phone number to the top of the website? It is just done within 24 hours. So he has always given me fantastic customer service. There's no reason for me to go to anyone else.
So this is my third year with Another Bright Idea. You know, the experience and the service has been great. You know, they've been a company that's been a great part of our business, and they know exactly what they're doing. So everything has just been amazing with Another Bright Idea.
So my husband and I got together with Brad, asked him to come by our office so we could meet him. Personality-wise, he was really easy to work with. We built rapport really quickly, and so we kind of knew he was the one. We sat down with him, told him what the concept, the vision was, what we wanted this website to reflect about us as a company, what were the needs that weren't being met before, and he listened. He went back, kind of came up with the design and a concept, and he was fabulous to work with. If there is one thing that I can say is his patience was incredible. What probably should have taken a month probably took 4. I was super indecisive and just couldn't make up my mind, and all the while he was just stayed there, smiled, kept encouraging us through the whole process, and ultimately we were super happy with the product. I would absolutely hands down recommend it to anybody who needs anything done when it comes to website design.